No. Want to come on? There you go. Cooking with gas. Right, so pizza oven. We're going to try and cook a pizza. But we ain't got no dough. What we do have is a shop bought pizza. It looks very good. I'm going to take that off the bottom, Ted. That's it, boy. Pull that out. Yeah. I want to see. Because in the oven, just stick that straight in the oven.
Take about 20 minutes?
Nah, 12 minutes.
Where is it? 12
minutes, that'll come out lovely and you'll be very, very happy with it. But because we've got ourselves a very flash pizza oven, once it's up to temperature, I'm going to slide that bad boy in there. And we're going to see how long it takes to cook that meat feast pizza.
I reckon 2 minutes.
Bacon, 2 minutes Turkish. Yeah. 2 minutes Turkish. Bacon, chicken, pepperoni, cheese, tomato. What else you got on there? That's about it, isn't it? Tell you what we need to throw on there.
No, it ruins it.
How does chilli ruin it?
Half of the pizza.
Chilli will only enhance.
Only half.
Enhance the flavour. I'm not going to leave it like that. I need a knife. You've got a knife? No. Come on, while that's warming up. Wait, where's the thing, Ted? The dishwash dasher. You know, like the temperature goes up. The beep beep. Show us the temperature beep beep. Come on. Go on, beep it. What's it saying?
Hold on, let me...
Go on then. Yeah. No, but what are you doing, mate? Just press the button.
I think it died.
Well, it ain't died. It's brand new batteries. You ain't even used it.
I think it died. I think it's too hot.
What? Too hot? Oh. It's going to be too hot. What have you done?
Come back to me. Oh, okay.
Right. Let's see what temperature we're at. What, already?
Oh, dude.
No. What does that want to get to?
I don't know.
Put your hand in there, see.
It's usually 200 you have to cook a pizza in.
No, that's in the oven.
300.
That wants to cook it in a minute. That's got to be like 500 degrees, bro. Big, big.
Do you reckon it'll burn if you touch it?
I don't know. Go on.
Well, I'm pointing it. Shall I point it there?
Yeah, point it there. That's where the pizza's going to be, yeah, in the middle. Yeah, see. Right, we've got to get that temperature up. Oh. Get on your phone. You've got your phone on you?
Yeah.
Get on your phone, do some Googling, yeah? What temperature does the uni need to be at to cook the pizza in 60 seconds? Because it tells me it can cook a pizza that quick.
I've got the app.
Go on then. Boom! I want to see how long it takes us to cook this bad boy pizza. That is hot here. I can actually feel that heat. Go on.
It just says one of their classic pizzas takes 1 to 2 minutes to cook.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But what heat does the... What heat does we want to get this oven at? Anyway, while we figure that out...
Aim for 400.
400?
450.
That's what I said.
500.
C. Yeah? So it's got to come up double that. So leave that to burn for another 5 minutes while we cut this chilli, bless you.
Thank you.
And we'll come back to it in 5 minutes time. What are we at now? 279. So we've got a little while to go. Come on, warm up. We've got the school run to do. We ain't got time, bruv. It's now 2:05.
3 past.
Huh?
3 past.
3 minutes past 2. We've got to leave here at 2:30. We've got to hurry up. We've got to get this cooked, eaten, in our bellies, and on the road to go and pick up the gremlins from school. She is hot still, though. In it, that is hot. That ain't quite 400, but that is really hot. I think that's the right temperature.
Right, with the flame...
The flame's that hot. We're going to go with that.
Go.
That is one hot pizza oven right now. We're in the oven. You want a stopwatch? Come on, bruv. We'll have to turn that. Oh, look at that bubbling straight away, that cheese. She is bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. We're bubbling like that. Yeah. Minute. I'm going to stop that, actually. That bubbling stuff. Right, I need all hands on deck on this because I need to be able to control this pizza so don't burn. I'll come back to you when it's beautiful. You have got to be so careful. That was in there for seconds, mate, and that burnt that side. I'm keeping it on the pill. I'm keeping it on the pill. Look.
Looks like a volcano.
What?
I reckon it's cooked already.
No, that ain't cooked yet. It's got to be in there longer. You've got to be so careful because that is roasted hot. Do you know what? If that was raw base, it would have been better, I think. Because obviously it's pre-cooked already.
Oh, that's burning up.
Flour.
That's done.
Look at that.
She's done.
That's not done yet, Ted.
It's done.
You got to cook the bacon, you geez. Mug cheese, that ain't done yet.
I reckon you left it too hot.
No, it's not too hot. It's perfect. You've got to be quick. It's bang on though with a minute. That will definitely cook a pizza in a minute. Listen. Yeah, buddy! Just gonna go in there a little bit longer. Just a...
No.
That's looking nice though. I've turned the heat down. Ooh. Burnt the edges to death. Burnt the edges to death on that. You gotta get used to that pizza oven, mate. That is hot. Hot, hot, hot. That will definitely cook a raw pizza in under a minute. 60 seconds for sure.
I want to touch it.
Go on, you'll burn your fingers, man. Right, we're going to eat that pizza, but we're going to trim them burnt edges because they're a little bit too done for even my likings. That one there's nice though. But there you go. Shop bought pizza in a pizza oven.